I'm going on a tour to Ninh Binh.
We want to come back to Hanoi around for 7:30 or 8 o'clock.
So the tour has started. We're now heading to some pagoda. Not too sure about the name, but yeah, this whole place is so beautiful. Like, excited about the Trangan, the boat ride, because I saw some story that my friend made, and he looks and it looked so sick. So I'm really looking forward to that. Indiana Jones.
Orhan!
Oh, what?
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, Tiger Kid, let's go.
Really?
So how many steps do you think this is? How many steps to the top? but the views already crazy, incredible. So we came from there, walked up all these stairs. Baka yaro. Oh, so that should be the top, huh? So all the way from there, down here, and down there. That's the city. So we entered the other stairway. We just came from pagoda. Walked down again and I've woken up. So you can just see the city from here. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk up to the dragon. Wow.
To see me dance just one more time. I see you.
Ser du fiskene?